viral Grillos pickle dip. Look at this masterpiece. You're gonna wanna try this. It's pickly. It's got a little spice from the jalapenos and cheesy. All right, folks, who's ready for some Grillos pickle dip?
Woo!
Yes, we've been dying to try this, so let's get started. So first, we're gonna start with our pickles. I don't know if y'all have ever bought the pickle spears, but you gotta be careful because they fill it up so far, the juice, that when you open it, you're gonna be covered in pickle juice. So be very careful when you open it. So I'm going to reserve the juice. And we're gonna get slicing. We're gonna slice up this whole container of pickles. And I'm gonna cut them fairly small. I'm gonna slice them. Can you see me? I'm gonna slice them in half. And then just cut them fairly small. So I diced up all of my pickles. I did mine fairly small. So I'm gonna put those in the bowl. Next, we are going to add, I don't have any green onions, but frankly, we're not big green onion folks here anyway, so I'm not sad I don't have it. Jalapeno. I'm going to dice up this jalapeno, and I am going to take out the seeds because it's already spicy. I don't need it catching asses on fire, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to remove the seeds and the ribs. And you should know this already, but when you're working with jalapenos, don't touch your face until you wash your hands. Primarily your eyeballs. All right, all the seeds and the ribs are gone. I'm gonna dice this up pretty small. Do it all at one time. Make my life a little easier. And then throw those in with our pickles. All right, it's done. So now to this bowl, we are going to add a half a cup of Greek yogurt. This is just plain Greek yogurt. Half a cup of sour cream. It's gonna be so good, guys. Half a cup of sour cream. A container of whipped cream cheese. Put that in there. Make sure you get it all, guys. Yummy, yummy. Packet of ranch seasoning. All right. Then about a cup of cheddar cheese. I have a cup in here, but I also have just a little bit left in the bag, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna add it. Nobody ever said there was too much cheese, right? So we're gonna give this a stir. And then we will be back for the last step. Lastly, we need to add in some crumbled bacon. So I just cooked off about 6 slices of bacon. I cooked mine in the oven and then I let it cool and I crumbled it up. The viral Grillos pickle dip. Look at this masterpiece. You're gonna wanna try this.
Hell yeah.
Let's try it. I'm using my corn dippers that I love, but essentially you could dip anything in here. So let's give her a try, folks. It looks really good. I want this piece of bacon though. That's so good. Oh my goodness. It is so good. It's pickly. It's got a little spice from the jalapenos and cheesy. Guys, if you haven't tried this yet, you need to try it. And if you like pickles, I know some folks in our family that would love this. Make it for yours. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.